Hey y'all, welcome to Robyn on the Farm. Today I wanted to show you how I make one of my very favorite side dishes. This is Jiffy Corn Casserole. It is so easy. My son makes this every year for Thanksgiving for us, and he has since he was 6 or 7 years old. So if a 6 or 7-year-old can make this, you can make this too. It is super simple. You just throw everything in your bowl, mix it up, and bake it. I have some baby back ribs on the smoker, and this is gonna be a great side dish for those baby back ribs for dinner tonight. So I just thought I'd show you how I make it. It's so easy, it's so good. You should really try it if you've never had it before. Okay, so to start with, you're gonna take a box of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix. This stuff is great to have just in your pantry, just to make really quick if you need a side for dinner. I always am looking for the good deals, so I got this when it was only 25 cents, so that's why I have it in my pantry. So you're gonna put the whole box in there, just dump it in, and then you're gonna want 2 eggs. I went ahead and cracked them and beat them a little bit, just so I didn't have to wash my hands, but 2 eggs right in your bowl. Now, let's see, you're gonna want a can of creamed style corn, okay? So creamed style corn, just pour that right on in there, okay? And you also want a can of just your regular whole kernel corn. So there we go. Okay, next you want some sour cream. You want a cup of sour cream. Let's see. Oh, y'all can see I got the sour cream for 30 cents. That's a good deal too, isn't it? But any kind of sour cream you want, 1 cup. And this is a little bit less than a cup because we've been using it for potatoes and chili and that kind of thing. It's still gonna work just fine if you have a little less than a cup of sour cream. All right, next we have a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Just pour that right on in there, nice and melted. Be sure you cover your stick of butter in the microwave so it doesn't explode. I probably have a stick of butter explode at least every couple weeks. Okay, and our last ingredient is sugar. So you want a 1/2 cup of plain white sugar, or a little less than 1/2 cup. You can get away with a little less than 1/2 cup. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this all up by hand, super easy. Doesn't take much. Oh, this is gonna be really good. Now that that is mixed up, I have my 10-inch cast iron skillet. I am gonna use this to bake this corn casserole. If you don't have one of these, you can use like an 8x8 glass pan or like a 1.5 quart casserole. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this on in. Super simple. I did grease up my cast iron, so make sure you oil it or grease it or put some butter in the bottom of it so it doesn't stick. There we go. All right, now this corn casserole is in the skillet. It's ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. But before I do that, my oven is a little full, so I need to get some stuff out. I've got some bread baking, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that bread out, and then I'll have room for this. Doesn't this bread look good? This looks amazing. This is my ultimate sandwich bread recipe. I'll put the link down in the description if you want to try to make some of this if you've never made it. Okay, so now I have room in my oven. I'm going to pop this in for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. So our Jiffy Corn Casserole baked for 45 minutes in 350 degree oven, and look how good it looks. It looks amazing. It smells really good too. So this is an amazing side for any dinner. It's a great Thanksgiving side too, and Easter and all those things. So I'm just gonna take a little bite of it and show it to you. This stuff is great. Take a little bite. It's kind of hot. Yes, so good. So I will leave the recipe for this Jiffy Corn Casserole down in the description so that you can make it. Try it out, let me know how you like it. It is so good and it's so easy, you can make this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I would love it. And I will see you next time on Robyn on the Farm.